Hello, you're welcome to this very first podcast. It is my very first podcast in of its kind. Actually, my starting this podcast is actually for a specific niche of people, and this niche is for our dear students who gained an admission either into the university or into any tertiary institution and polytechnic in Nigeria, College of Education as well, and who are studying computer science as a course. Yes, my name is Okeworo Lucky. I'm a system analyst in the Federal Polytechnic at Ekiti. So I want to use this opportunity to talk about you, student of computer science. And my reason of coming here to talk to you is actually to relate my own experience as a computer science to really help you guys see areas where you can focus on as you walk through your course. And that will actually help you to succeed in your study as a student of computer science. So we'll be taking the course one by one so that we can get it running. And we want to start with introduction first. And here we'll be looking at why this topic matters. Yes, it matters a lot. So we want to see how it matters. And secondly, computer science is a demanding but rewarding field. Most people do see that, but they don't really get to see it when they go into it. They'll be like, am I here to waste my time? Or is there anything I'm not really doing well? Okay, so we'll just hold on, we'll get to that part. And second and thirdly, success requires a blend of technical skills, soft skills, and effective strategies as well. And this tutorial will guide you on how to strive as a computer science student. Now let's move on to the next slide. Now understand the core concept of the course. That is the most important thing. Because we talk about why it matters. Yes, is because you have come in as a computer science student. You've been admitted, you've paid acceptance fee, you've moved further towards payment of school fees, and now you are on a wonderful journey. Now, the question is it a waste of time you being here? No, it's not. So, because you actually understand what you are yet to face as a student of computer science. Understanding the core concept of computer science is the motivation that will help you to succeed. And what are these core concepts? It is in three parts. First is master the basics. Second is focus on problem solving. And third is learn mathematics. Master the basic includes programming, data structure, and algorithms. While focusing on problem solving, you practice coding regularly, and that is what it is. Because in computer science, we we do say that it is a niche where you solve problems, where you study the environment and then you identify problems, and then you use your skill as a computer science in which you have acquired or in which you will need to acquire later on in programming and mathematics to solving problems. So this course or this core concept of computer science will be put into you as you dive into the course properly. Of course, you don't have to disregard discrete maths, linear algebra, and probability are quite very crucial in this course. I really want this course to be very snappy, not more than 5 minutes down the line, but nevertheless, let's move on and see how well we can run through the material. The next part is leverage online resources. You don't have to depend on your lecturers alone because they don't really have all the time to give you all they know. They can share experiences to you, but there are free tools available for you online. And platforms like Free Code Camp, jigs for jigs, let code aka rank for coding practices can actually help you. And of course, there's a lot of YouTube tutorials and webinars that you can actually attend that can give you a more professional outlook indeed. And next slide is build a real world projects as well. Because as you are a student, you don't have to wait until you're out of school before you start building a real world project. You need to start immediately. Within your niche, within the institutions that you came from, there are problems that are existing already. Can you think of solving problem? Or can you think of participating in hackathons and open source projects that are available? What about building a portfolio website for yourself? Develop a basic mobile application as well. That can actually help because these are quite very easy than never before. But building a real world project is not as easy as you think. So, what will really help you to get started? Of course, as we have earlier mentioned, your active participation with the online tools will help you. Develop time management skills can as well help you, where you will have to balance academics, personal project, and relaxation as well. You do hear of Trello quite well. That is a project management tool. You need that as well because you need to see how to put down projects in calendars and see how much time you need to develop this project. Not just seeing the project a lump sum and then you begin to work on it. No, and that's what I will be giving to you in this class to see how you do it for free. You don't have to join any paid class for this. No, this is 100% free for you. That's why I'm here for you, my dear colleagues of computer science. Yes, yeah, we are colleagues, not so. Yeah, sure. We are colleagues, my brothers, my sisters. All right, let's move on to the next slide. Network and collaborate. Now, we're talking about cooperation. We will definitely, as students of computer science, collaborate with others, those who are related to us in our field, and also those who are not related with us in our field as well. You can collaborate with them, and there are much groups that you can join as much as possible. We have platforms like LinkedIn, GitHub to connect with peers and professionals. Participate in team-based projects as well. Quite very interesting. All right, stay curious and updated. Stay informed about industry trends, read blogs, watch YouTube channels, and follow tech influencers, and never stop learning. AI tools are available for you, cloud computing as well, are quite very there for you, my brother. So, looking at the concept we have already in place, we'll come to see that it's quite much easier for you to study the course of computer science and be successful. But most importantly, dedication and seriousness has to be on your part to succeed. And soft skills matter too. Work on communication and presentation skills. Develop critical thinking and teamwork abilities. And employers value interpersonal skills as much as technical skills. That's quite very interesting. That as you go into the industry, you'll find out that they're not really looking at maybe you have your ND, your BHND certificate or BSc, whatever course you know. What they really need to see is your interpersonal skills, yes, in the industry. And last but not the least, you must be a good communicator. Yeah, you must know how to talk, how to interact with people, how to make people feel welcome. Yes, that's very important. It's a very important aspect of computer studies. In conclusion, your journey to success starts now, or it has already started for a long time. So you're welcome. And then stay consistent. That's one. Be curious to learn more. Yes, that's it. Practice regularly. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn. And remember, success is a marathon, not a sprint. Not a sprint. It's a marathon. You must keep going on a consistent pace. So permit me to use opportunity to warmly welcome you. And I would like you to take the time left to click on the subscribe button to get more updates on trending views on your field of expertise. You're welcome.